Are you looking for a system that you can leverage on and start earning massively like this? This is one of my wallets and what I've earned so far in this ecosystem. Yes. What if I told you there is a way to earn lots of money using Binance ecosystem, the platform you know and trust? The best part is it's completely safe, meaning you don't necessarily have to bring a referral. Seriously, check this out. This is the money of some of our members in this ecosystem, what they've earned through Binance ecosystem. And guess what? Lots of people in our group are already doing great. Some are making thousands of dollars. You can get started with just $26. Yes, you heard me right. You are not paying some company any money. You are putting that money into your own Binance wallet, and we'll show you how to set it up so you can keep earning for a long time. This isn't just any talk. It is a real way to earn using blockchain technology. This means everything is open and you can check it out to yourself. No one can cheat or take it from you. No waiting for someone else to pay you, just your own earnings. If you're really ready to make a big change in your finances, this is your chance. Don't miss out. DM me right now to find out more or join our awesome community. We'll help you every step of the way. Let's start earning big money together and let's build this wealth and build generational wealth together.